Hi there. I'm an AI clone of MoodUp CEO Danny Stefanik, and today I wanted to talk about the four components that make up a hybrid event. The topic goes beyond the general what is a hybrid event and instead explores what makes a hybrid event hybrid, because every event, physical, virtual, or hybrid, will have these basic components. Today, we will check out what they are and will follow up with details for each one in future videos. Number 1. The hybrid event environment, where your virtual and physical events overlap to create a hybrid. Number 2, the event content. Always remember that quality content is essential for audience engagement and event success. Number 3, engagement and experience. Always keep engagement top of mind when planning your event experience. Number 4, connectivity, because you can't have a hybrid event without proper connectivity. These are the main areas that will make your event. And by that I mean the areas where your physical event overlaps with the virtual component, creating the hybrid. I'll go over each component in detail in future videos, so make sure to check back in soon.